teachers and my dear friends of Indian history in Ramayana also, O Devi Sita
are safe or not. So, in my
over here, respected teachers and my dear friends, I, Samiksha Zari, standing in front of you to speak something about our today's topic, whether women in India are safe. So, from my perspective, no, women in India are not at all safe. Why? Because there are so many reasons every day we are facing it. And if we will go to our ancient time, as our topic is based on women's safety, so first we will talk how women are treated in earliest time and how people are treating now with the women. So in ancient time, women signifies as a embracing element or as a goddess Lakshmi. But now, is anybody feel it like this or treat them like goddess? Does anybody think that in today's world, women is safe? Please raise up your hands. Okay. So, nobody feels that women is safe in this society. As we are facing so many problems, recently we have seen in Kolkata incident that horribly that terrified us. Because not only this, each and every day in our nearby place also we are facing this. Women are not so independent. How we can call women independent? And one more important thing that we call our India as Bharat Mata, but it also a women's. The place is also for a woman, and we call our India as independent country. How? When women is not independent, how a country can be independent? This is our main motto. That when we call our India independent, first of all, a women should be independent for it. Thank you, and thank you so much to cope up with me very patiently. Of Indian history in Ramayana also, O Devi Sita has suffered from this situation, and from Mahabharata, Draupadi has also faced this problem. So here, if we go to the country like Southern, such as Greenland and Switzerland, there are women, they are independent, they are promoting the economic and social liberty to the family, whereas their men are managing the homes. And even if we see in many stages, like a boy is drinking a cigarette, which is killing 1,000 people. But when a girl goes to drink a sanitary pad, she has to wrap it in the pocket and in paper to bring it. How shameful it will be by seeing. And if we go into many other stages, even in the civil disobedience movement, when women came to fight for their rights, even Gandhiji denied that women have to bring a child and maintain their family. They should not go out and work for their successful. Even in an orthodox family, the women are suffering from burden, social harassment, injustice, and many more. So there should be various steps taken. Awareness should be created. Women are the future of the society. They are everything. Women should be treated as God. Thank you. This was from my side.
and all my loving brothers and sisters, I, Remi Chandam, standing in front of you to say a few lines about whether women in India are safe or not. So, in my point of view, women in India are not safe, as women were facing a lot of safety issues, which includes violence, discrimination, and many other challenges that women were facing. Women in India facing violence, which includes rapes, murders, acid attacks, and many other that related to violence. Nowadays, children were also not protected, as women and children both are not protected in this society. As women and children are particularly vulnerable to victimization because they often lack appropriate, which means protection. As we see in India, many states have crimes against women, like Haryana. Haryana had a great or highest rate of crimes against women. 118 crimes are reported for every 1 lakh women in Haryana, Delhi. Delhi was also one of the most unsafe places for women. If we will talk about the current affairs or the current crimes against women, so we all know that recently in Kolkata, Dr. Momita has been raped and murdered in RJ Kar College and hospitals. This affect to all children and women in India. Now, when a daughter or a daughter-in-law going to outside, then their parents are waiting for them that they will come safe to home. But now it is like not possible. Earlier it is like possible, but now it is not possible because the rapes, the crime happens in this world. So at last I am trying to say that if we want to improve women's safety, then the first step is to change this mindset of people, which is very essential for women's safety. At last I want to say that एक लड़की ही होती है घर की लक्ष्मी, एक लड़की ही होती है घर की लक्ष्मी, एक लड़की ही होती है घर की शान। उन लड़कियों की कदर करो जो होती हैं घर की पहचान, जो होती हैं घर की